Let us start by removing the screws holding the radiator grill in place, then gently take off the grill. Next, take out the turn signal lights and position them onto the protector according to their direct. Do not secure them just yet. Now grab the white wire from your accessory kit and cut it into 4 equal sections. Take 2 sections to extend the yellow wires and make sure to insulate the connections properly. Use 1 section to connect the white wire to both red wires in parallel, and remember to insulate these joints well. Take the last section to connect the white wire to both black wires in parallel, since black wires are negative. Mark them clearly for identification. Peel off the backing film from the turn signal controller and fix it to a suitable spot. You can also use clear tape to secure the controller and wiring. Route the wiring harness through the location shown in the video, then connect the negative wire to your vehicle battery negative terminal. Connect the white wire linked to the red wires to the fuse, as demonstrated in the video. The extended yellow wire needs to connect to your own external turn signal device. Turn on your vehicle and check if all lights are functioning correctly. Finally, reattach the protector and secure the turn signal lights into position.